Call it spring, like everything is new. The sunburst flowers calling on warm days overdue.
Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Shamapti and today I'm going to share my hair care routine with you. So let's start.
Sunburst flowers calling on warm days overdue.
First, the hair oil. I use this Safa Black Seed hair oil. I have been using this for years and my hair loves it. And sometimes I use castor oil as well with this, but this is my constant. I love this hair oil. It works wonderfully for my hair. Frankly, I don't see myself changing this hair oil anytime soon because most of the times I change my hair care products. What happens? I suffer from hair fall. Skincare products, I keep on trying new stuff, this and that, but hair care products, like, I am really concerned and cautious because I have suffered from severe hair fall and I don't want to go back there. And yes, I use this hair oil before shampooing. Sometimes I keep this overnight and yeah, it is good, at least for my hair and scalp. Next, shampoo. So I shampoo once in a week, so 4 times in a month, and I have been using this Recoil shampoo. It has been working very well for me and I don't experiment much with my shampoo. If a shampoo is working for me, I try to stick with it. Previously I used to use Universal shampoo, but then they changed the formulation or something. Then I tried several other shampoos, but I found this to be best for my hair. So 3 times in a month I'm using this shampoo, and once in a month I'm using this organic hair cleanser from the Tribe Concepts, just once in a month. And when I'm using hair upton, and I don't shampoo much, just like I told you, once in a week, and it has helped my hair a lot. I don't have dandruff, my scalp is slightly oily, my hair feels dry sometimes, otherwise it is okay. Conditioners and hair mask, I have been using this Recoil conditioner and it is good. Then I use this hair mask 1 to 2 times in a month. Then I use this hair upton DIY. I'm gonna leave the link down below. And previously I used to use henna. Now I do henna, but not that frequently. And previously this yogurt and honey didn't suit my hair, but now it does. So I use that. I use licorice, aloe vera powder for my hair. I have made all the videos about those hair packs that work for me, and I'm gonna leave all the links down below. I don't use any hairstyling products. I don't use any leave-on conditioners. Sometimes I use Colin for the ends of my hair, and I try to eat healthy. I have yogurt every day. What else? Yeah, food is very important. Genetics important. My mom used to have really beautiful hair, so yeah, thanks to her. And if you have major hair problem, like major hair fall something, then please do visit a doctor. Don't leave it on like all the commercial hair care products. Most of them don't work. I mean, for hair fall, if you have severe hair fall. Then what else? Yeah, don't experiment much with hair care products. I would recommend that because 80% of the time my hair doesn't like that. Hair and scalp. Okay, I almost forgot. I use rice water for my hair, and yeah, I have made a video about this as well. I'm gonna leave the link down below. It has helped my hair a lot. And lifestyle, stress, food habit, genetics, everything important when it comes to hair. So don't give too much props to the hair products because you have to consider other things as well. So that's all for now. I hope you found this video to be helpful, and thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe if you want to watch more videos like this. See you very soon. Bye bye.